Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Prestige Special Edition. This isn't just any electric shaver, it's designed for those who demand the closest shave with advanced features that cater to precision and comfort. Let's see if this premium shaver lives up to the hype. The Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Prestige offers a wet and dry shaving experience equipped with Lift, Cut, and SenseIQ technology. What sets it apart? The shaver adapts to your unique hair and skin, providing more precision with its Precision Flex heads. This shaver is built for skin-level closeness, promising up to 0.0 millimeters of closeness thanks to its 360-degree rotating NanoTech DualPrecision blades. It also features a Hydro SkinGlide coating, designed to offer smoother gliding, and a power adapt sensor that adjusts power every 500 milliseconds based on your hair's needs. In terms of usability, the setup process was simple. The shaver is easy to charge via the included Qi pad, and the cleaning pod is incredibly convenient. I loved how it effortlessly adapted to different areas of the face, even the tricky spots like under the nose and on the neck. The inclusion of the nose and precision trimmers also provided additional versatility, especially for detail work. As for performance, the shaver delivered a clean, close shave without any irritation, even when used on wet skin. However, there are a few points to consider. While the shaver glides smoothly, the premium features do come at a higher price point, which might not be suitable for everyone. The noise level is also slightly higher compared to other models, though it's not overwhelming. So what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, this shaver is highly precise, offers excellent comfort, and is designed to last. The SenseIQ technology, along with the powerful sensor, really sets it apart from others. The accessories, like the nose and precision trimmers, are great additions, making it a versatile tool for grooming. On the flip side, the price might be a bit steep for some, especially given that similar results can be achieved with more affordable models. Also, the noise can be a bit much during use, which may detract from the overall experience for some users. Now let's talk value for money. With its high-end features, like the self-sharpening blades and skin-smoothing Hydro SkinGlide coating, the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Prestige feels like a top-tier investment. However, if you're looking for just a basic close shave without the bells and whistles, you might want to consider other options. For those who prioritize luxury and precision, though, this product holds its value. Comparing it to other models on the market, this shaver stands out in terms of precision and customization. It's more expensive than most entry-level or mid-range shavers, but for someone who values technology-driven grooming and is willing to invest, it's a top choice. The closest competitors are typically the Bronze Series 9 or the Panasonic Arc 5, but they don't quite match the SenseIQ tech and custom adaptability this model offers. Build quality is excellent. The materials feel durable, and the design is sleek, with a premium finish. The shaver is backed by a 5-year warranty, which adds to the peace of mind in terms of longevity. Given its robust design, it seems like this shaver could last many years with proper care. Customer support for Philips is generally well regarded, and you get a 2-year self-sharpening blade lifetime, which is a good perk for long-term use. I didn't need to contact customer support personally, but I've read positive feedback from other users on their responsiveness and helpfulness. Is this review helpful? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other grooming enthusiasts can find this review. We'll be diving deeper into more high-quality products, and you won't want to miss out. To wrap up, the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Prestige Special Edition offers precision, comfort, and advanced technology for a premium shaving experience. It's a great choice for those who want the best in personal grooming, though the price might not be justifiable for someone looking for a basic shave. If you're into tech-driven shaving tools and are ready to invest, this is a solid pick. Thank you for watching. The link to grab this shaver is in the comments below. And if you have any thoughts or questions, drop them down there. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep your grooming game strong with Beautyistic.